Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're about to remove a Messenger account. Start now. First, verify the exact account by checking the email or phone shown in settings so you delete the right profile. Next, back up essential chats and media, export conversations, or save attachments because deletion is often irreversible. Also, make sure you can sign in to any linked Facebook or recovery contact. If you can't, pause and recover access. Otherwise, proceed to account settings to begin the removal process. Once done preparing, go into Messenger settings and locate account or privacy options. Some apps nest removal under help or security. Choose delete account. If only deactivation is available, pick that and then locate permanent deletion link. You'll be asked to authenticate, enter password, provide a 2FA code, or click a verification email. Confirm your choice when shown the consequences. Do this deliberately, because instantaneous removal may still leave a short grace period for recovery. Complete the process by watching for the final confirmation and allowing any grace period to pass. Keep copies of confirmation emails or on-screen receipts. If deletion doesn't go through, clear the app cache, update to the latest version, or try the desktop site and repeat authentication steps. If access problems persist, contact support and provide identity proof. Explain what you tried so they can escalate. One key tip: use a different device or network if verification codes aren't arriving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.